Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the uber luxurious 2019 Mercedes-Benz Campervan. But before we get into the news, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Frankia has traditionally stayed on the motorhome side of the market, building large Class A and C RVs, a top chassis for Mercedes and other makes. That experience shines through the brand's first campervan, as Frankia strives to give the Yucon a Class C feel inside the factory walls of a third-gen Sprinter van. The new van line promotes the idea of enjoying trips from the inside out, relishing your time from between Mercedes badges as much as or even more than you enjoy exploring the world outside the van. Frankia doesn't simply support van livers by making living in a van possible, but by making it downright comfy and enjoyable, not to mention luxurious. The king of the category is the flagship 274-in Yucon 7.0 launch, which finds its legs on a Mercedes Sprinter 170 with super high roof. Loaded with space-optimizing innovations, this van follows directly in the footsteps of a FutureConcept layout that Frankia experimented with at last year's Düsseldorf Caravan Salon, abandoning the conventional campervan formula of rear bed, central kitchen or bathroom, front dining lounge for something more spacious and homey. Frankia designers work extensively on the eponymous lounge in the rear, where occupants enjoy an L-shaped sofa and plenty of elbow room. The versatile layout allows for both vis-a-vis seating around the removable pedestal table and multi-person sofa seating facing the passenger side entertainment units, much the way one would do in a residential living room or a TV room. The large full-height media console includes a TV stand, bookshelf with retention straps, and hidden mobile charging compartments below hinged surface. It also conceals a pull-out table that serves a handy coffee table or cocktails, game day snacks, and more. A wardrobe is integrated into the same wall console. Frankia was clearly thinking of a fan life when it created these fans, but judging from these photos, it's aiming less post-college wanderlusting set so famous on Instagram and YouTube, and more for older professionals and retirees willing and able to pony approximately $77,550.